Hey guys, I'm officially here. About to head into Bonnie's studio right now. Super nervous. Yeah, this is gonna be great. See you in there. Hi. How are you?
Here's the ring. Welcome back to my channel. This is Bonnie with Buy Bonnie Jewelry, where I talk about all things diamonds. Yes, today's video, it's gonna be the love story of my client Jayshree and Dakota. Yes, a lot of you always ask me, Bonnie, what is the real process of working with you, getting my girlfriend her dream ring? And today, in this video, I'm going to give you a list. Yes, take your pen, paper, iPhone, whatever it is that you use to jot down notes. And I have my lovely client, Dakota, that we went through that whole process where we're gonna show you. And of course, we love stories. So a little bit of background on my clients. She has been a follower of mine, an OG follower of mine, since I had 1,000 Instagram followers. Yes, she has been like just dreaming about a Buy Bonnie ring for a really long time and had like all these things pinned. And when Dakota finally reached out and said they were actually an influencer couple, that I was like, oh my god, this is amazing. So the story is that they were trying to save money just like any couples, how they start, and she didn't want to go to the salon and get her nails done because it's, you know, expensive and pricey. It could get pretty pricey over time. And he learned how to do her nails in order to save money. It was just such a romantic story. When I like heard it, I was just like, oh my god, I need to work with you guys. And of course, I am honored. So let's dive right into the process of how to get your girlfriend the dream ring. Okay, so the first step is always, before you start talking to a jeweler, that would be really helpful to have a list. Collect all the Pinterest, Instagram, everything, TikTok, every screenshot that you've ever seen her kept or asked a friend. That is really important visual information for your jeweler. Number two is ring size. Without the proper ring size, we will not know if she's a size 4, she's 5, 6, 7. You want that moment to be perfect when you put it on. So get the ring size. If you don't know how, call a girlfriend or sister, mom to get involved, or, you know, while she's sleeping, put a little thing around her finger to figure out the size. If you want me to make a separate video on how to do that, leave that in a comment below. I'll make a separate video for it. But yes, number 3 is definitely diamond shape. You need to know the diamond shape. If you're like, hey, I just want a ring, but you don't know what shape it is, it's gonna get really hard. So top 2 shapes, research, look at the hand. If it's longer fingers ratio to the palm, probably is better to consider an elongated diamond. But round is always classic, but don't go with a very, you know, random shape that she has never told you about. So that's gonna be like, nowadays popular shapes are round, oval, emerald, radiant. I've made different rings. Once you get the shape, if it is an elongated shape, the next point is figure out somewhat of a ratio that you want. Okay, I talk about ratio in every single elongated diamond video. It is the most important thing, minus the carat weight itself, because it literally represents how big your stone is gonna be. Next point is metal color. I made a whole other video about white gold versus platinum that you definitely need to watch, especially if you're in the medical field. If you wash your hands a lot, all of that is gonna have an effect on your ring. So in Dakota's case, she is Indian, so she loves her heritage and her culture and really wanted a very vibrant gold color ring, but then also really wanted the white diamond to pop. I made a whole other video about two-tone, why you should choose a two-tone ring for your engagement ring, and we nailed down all the details of every single aspect. As you can see, we guided Dakota throughout the whole process. And fast forward, let's see his reaction to the ring. Are you nervous?
I've been nervous. Beyond nervous.
Okay, ready?
That's so pretty. Holy cow. I don't know what to say.
Is it as amazing as you thought it was gonna be?
It's gorgeous. It's so pretty.
Yeah.
She's gonna love it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You are a craftsman.
Thank you. Congratulations to Jayshree and Dakota. I will be making a follow-up video where I want to really personally meet her for the first time. I love that I was part of this journey, so thank you for letting me be a part of it. If you want to congratulate them, please leave your congratulations to the couple in the comment below. What do you think of a ring? Dream ring finally came true. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.